This is class 7th. We are going to start today another chapter which belongs to the geometry, and this is chapter number, I think it is chapter number 10. Chapter number 10. Name of the chapter is Lines and Angles. Lines and Angles. This is the name of the chapter. For class 7th, today we are going to start first chapter of the geometry here, lines and angles, and in your contents of your mathematics book, it is chapter number 10. And this chapter is for U2 examinations. So the chapter name of the chapter is lines and angles. Let us discuss what is a line. Okay, as you know, in geometry there are 4 basic concepts. Concept number 1 is plane. Concept number 2 is point. Concept number 3 is line. And concept number 4 is ray. These are the 4 basic concepts of the geometry. As there are 4 basic concepts of the arithmetics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What is plane? Plane is the surface on which geometrical figure is drawn. Geometrical figure is drawn. This is the plane. What is point? One more thing is there. Plane can be extended endlessly. Plane can be extended endlessly. It means that a plane can be of different size. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको समझा रहा हूं, यहां पर मेरे पास ये शीट बना है. ये शीट छोटा भी हो सकता है और ये शीट बड़ा भी हो सकता है. दिस इज अबाउट अ प्लेन. पॉइंट. पॉइंट इज द सेकेंड कंसेप्ट ऑफ द मेन कंसेप्ट ऑफ द ज्योमेट्री. व्हाट इज पॉइंट? तो मैं सबसे पहले आपको बता दूंगा द बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ द ज्योमेट्री. द पॉइंट, इट इज dimensionless. Dimensionless. What does dimensionless means? Dimensionless means point is neither having length nor breadth nor height nor thickness, neither it is having girth, whatever. कोई भी डायमेंशन इसका नहीं है. जब किसी चीज का कोई डायमेंशन ही नहीं होता है, such a thing is called imaginary concept. So point is the imaginary concept. Then how can you denote the point? See, this is a dot. This is called a dot. And it is fine dot. Fine means which is visible to everyone. So fine dot is the denotation of a point. We can denote a point by fine dot. This is a point. Clear? Point is a basic concept of geometry having no dimensions. It is dimensionless. What are the dimensions? Dimensions में होते हैं length, breadth, height, thickness, girth. girth गई गोलाई. तो ये डायमेंशंस होते हैं. इनमें से कोई भी डायमेंशन इसका नहीं है. फिर मैं कहता हूं जब किसी चीज का कोई डायमेंशन ही नहीं होता है, such a thing is called an imaginary thing. Then how is it possible that we can say this is a point? And point is denoted. It is denoted by a fine dot. This is the point. इसी डॉट को अगर आप देखेंगे ना अर्थमेटिक्स में, in arithmetic the same dot is called decimal. Okay, and in the literature the same dot is called full stop. आया समझ? तो यही डॉट के नाम है जो हम डिफरेंट नेम्स बोलते हैं ना इसके. कभी हम इसको पॉइंट कहते हैं, कभी हम इसको डेसिमल कहते हैं, कभी हम इसको फुल स्टॉप कहते हैं. तो दिस इज द डिनोटेशन ऑफ ए पॉइंट. फिर यहां पर एक और कंसेप्ट हमारे पास है, दैट इज लाइन, जो हमारा टॉपिक भी है. लाइन इज इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट हियर. सी माय डियर, दिस इज अ प्लेन because I can draw any geometrical figure on this surface. So in this plane there I can use different kinds of points, different infinite number of points in this plane. If I join some points, see my dear, the joining the collection of these points form a line. So what is a line? It is the set or collection of points in a plane. प्लेन पर बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स को जब हम कलेक्ट करते हैं उस चीज को हम कहते हैं लाइन, जमा करते हैं, ये लाइन है, समझ गए ना? दिस इज अ लाइन एंड दिस लाइन कैन बी, जहां पर मैंने ये लाइन बनाई, दिस इज अ कर्व्ड लाइन. कभी कभी ये लाइन ऐसे भी होती है, दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. अ लाइन कैन बी कर्व्ड, इट कैन बी स्ट्रेट. So line is the set of points or it is the collection of points in a plane. फिर आता है एक और कंसेप्ट इसका, that is ray. What is ray? Ray is basically again collection of या set of points which can extend in only one direction. जैसे कि यहाँ पर लाइन को मैं बताना भूल गया. Line is the collection or set of points which can extend in both the two directions. इट कैन एक्सटेंड एंडलेसली. इसको यहां से भी एक्सटेंड हम कर सकते हैं, यहां से भी एक्सटेंड हम कर सकते हैं. जब रे की बात करते हैं, रे कैन बी एक्सटेंड इन ओनली वन डायरेक्शन. सी दिस इज द स्टार्ट. इफ आई join all these points and I extend only to this side, this figure is called a ray. Ray is the set of points which has a start but no end. These are the concepts, basic concepts of the geometry. Again, पहले मैं आपको बता दूंगा हमारा टॉपिक जो है that is lines and angles. Topic has a complete relation with the geometry. It is chapter number 10. Lines and angles. Geometry का टॉपिक है. तो geometry के लिए मैंने बताना है आपको what are the basic concepts of the geometry. The first basic concept of the geometry is plane. Second is point. Third is line. Fourth is ray. What is plane? Plane is the surface on which any geometrical figure is drawn. जैसे कि मैंने बोर्ड पर एक फिगर बनानी है, so board will act as a plane. मैंने पेज पर एक फिगर बनानी है, so page will act as a plane. Then second concept of the geometry is that is point. What is point? Point is the basic concept of geometry which has no dimensions at all. Dimensions means length, breadth, height, thickness, girth, all that. So anything which has no dimension is known as a dimensionless or imaginary concept. So does it mean that point an imaginary concept? Yes, of course. Then how can we represent a point? So point is represented or point is denoted by a fine dot. Fine means which is visible to everyone. This is a dot. And the same dot, if we use this dot in arithmetics, another part of the maths, then the dot is called a decimal. If the same dot is used in the literature, then it is called a full stop, English literature. This is about a point. Then the third concept of the geometry is line. Line is the set or collection of the points in a plane. ये जो प्लेन है, अगर मैं इस प्लेन पर बहुत सारे डॉट्स ड्रा करूंगा, सो दीज ऑल दीज डॉट्स विल डिनोट द पॉइंट्स. देन अगर मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स को कलेक्ट करूंगा, ज्वाइन करूंगा, जो इधर से भी बढ़ेगा और इधर से भी बढ़ सकता है, सच ए कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स इज कॉल्ड अ line. So the line can be curved, it can be straight, but it is extended endlessly in both the two directions. Okay. Then the last concept of the geometry is here, that is ray. Ray is the set of points which has a start but no end. It extends in only one direction. This is the starting point. जो मैंने ये arrow दिखाना है, this arrow indicates that we can extend this ray in only this direction. Thank you very much.